Pit Stop FM is currently the fastest creasing machine on the market. Ideal for medium and large graphic and digital print businesses requiring a fast, heavy-duty production machine. It has a 50 by 70 cm standard format size, with 50 by 100 cm feeder surface extension kit available. We have installed the heavy-duty digital creasing kit and selected the icon and set the relative measurements. The practical 7-inch touchscreen offers quick data setting. Productivity can be set by the operator depending on the type of normal, fast, high-speed processing. The number of processes, up to 100, can be set from the touchscreen panel. In this case, processing is carried out with 10 very close creases. We are changing the machine's heavy-duty tools, switching from digital creasing to standard perforation, with a brass counterblade for precise and clean processing. Let's set the relative icon and new processing measurements on the panel. In this case, 2 perforations on a particularly heavy paper stock. Let's set up a new process with a standard creasing kit, which also in this case is equipped with 2 bottom channels to process particularly heavy paper and achieve high precision at maximum speed. And now the punching kit, suitable for processing calendars. We mount the practical tool with a square hole in this case. We set the relative icon and measurements and start processing. The holes are perfect and clean, and the practical system makes it possible for the processing residues to be expelled from the side of the machine. Various types of tooling are available, including punching, standard or micro perforation. Pit Stop FM HS combines processing speed up to 14,000 per hour with heavy-duty build and practical operation. Fast, heavy-duty, user-friendly. Technical features: